What if I told you that 95% of your daily actions, thoughts, and habits are controlled by a part of your brain you rarely notice? It's called the subconscious mind, and right now, it's either working for you or against you. The good news? You can reprogram it. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful steps to rewire your subconscious mind and create the life you truly desire. But be warned, this is life-changing. Step 1. Rewire your thoughts with affirmations. Your subconscious mind believes whatever you tell it, good or bad. If you keep saying, "I'm not good enough, I can't make money, or I'll never be successful," guess what? Your subconscious will make sure that's your reality. Start repeating daily affirmations that align with your goals. Every morning and night, say statements like, "I am wealthy. Success flows to me effortlessly. I am confident and unstoppable." At first, it might feel weird, but trust me, your subconscious absorbs repetition. It's like planting seeds, and soon you'll see the results. Step 2. Visualize your future reality. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So why not use that to your advantage? Close your eyes for 5 minutes every day and vividly imagine your dream life. Picture yourself already successful, wealthy, and confident. Feel it, believe it, live it in your mind. Athletes, billionaires, and top performers all use visualization because when your subconscious sees it as real, it starts working to make it happen. Step 3. Reprogram your environment. Your subconscious is constantly picking up signals from your environment: what you watch, who you spend time with, what you listen to. If you're surrounded by negativity, guess what? Your subconscious absorbs that too. The solution? Cut out negativity, news, toxic people, self-doubt. Feed your mind with positivity, books, mentors, success stories. Create a winning routine, morning mindset, gratitude, goal setting. When you change what surrounds you, you change what's inside you, and that's how you unlock your true potential. Now it's your turn. Start using these 3 steps daily and watch how your subconscious transforms your reality. Thanks for watching.